Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nisa Homey and I create healthy and nutrient dense recipes for weight loss. So if you're thinking about changing your lifestyle to a much healthier one, then together we can make it happen without compromising on taste and nutrition. So make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can get notified when I post new videos. And guys, there's a small change with regard to my uploads. So starting today, I will be uploading videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. Today's recipe is a quick and easy, tasty and healthy onion chicken roast, which is bursting with Indian flavors and has less calorie than a chicken fry, as we are not deep frying chicken in oil. You can enjoy this as an iftar meal platter. I have also shared a sample meal plan at the end of the video, so make sure you watch the video till the very end. This onion chicken roast has less calories than a chicken fry. So let's get started with the recipe. First, let's make the masala, and yes, you don't need any garam masala for this recipe, as we are making masalas freshly, which gives more flavor to the dish. Now into my small chutney grinder, I am adding in 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, also known as saunf, half teaspoon black peppercorns, a small piece of mace, 1 star anise, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 4 cardamoms, 4 cloves, 1 sprig of fresh curry leaves, 1 inch ginger, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 2 green chillies. Now you can adjust green chillies to suit your taste. 5 shallots, also known as chilli in Malayalam, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon kashmiri chilli powder. I like to use kashmiri chilli powder in my recipes because it has less heat and it also gives a nice color to the dish. But if you are using ordinary chilli powder, reduce by half. Also, if you want to reduce the spiciness, use only 1 tablespoon kashmiri chilli powder. Now grind all this, and once it is ground, this is how it looks. I have already added 700 grams of bone-in chicken into a wide cast iron pan. Add in the ground masala and add in 1 teaspoon salt and then mix the chicken well. Make sure the chicken is nicely coated with the masala. Keep this chicken marinated for about 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, switch on the flame and add in 1/4 cup water to help the chicken cook. Mix well and cover and allow the chicken to get cooked on medium flame. It should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Remember, I am using a cast iron pan and it retains more heat. Plus, cooking in cast iron pans helps in better iron absorption. So try to include cast iron pan or kadai in your daily cooking. After about 5 minutes, the chicken is almost cooked and has released some moisture. So I am putting on high flame and allowing the water to get evaporated. And this also makes the chicken nicely coated with the masala. I am also stirring it on and off to make sure that the masala is not sticking to the pan. Once the moisture has dried up, put the flame onto the lowest and make a space in the middle. Add in 1 tablespoon coconut oil or any unrefined oil from the place you live in, like groundnut oil or mustard oil. I did share from where I buy fresh coconut oil on my Insta stories, which will be available on the highlighted folder. You can check it out, links in the description box below this video. Now add in 1 cup whole shallots, that is without slicing them. Shallots is also known as button onions and chilli in Malayalam. Now mix everything well. Allow the chicken to get roasted for about 7 to 10 minutes on low flame. But make sure you stir it on and off. The reason why I use shallots in my recipes is because they are rich in iron, folate and antioxidants. They help in promoting hair growth, helps to maintain bone health and promotes healthy skin. Okay, it's about 10 minutes and the chicken is nicely roasted and is coated with the masala. But make sure you scrape the pan as the masalas tend to get stick to the pan. Lastly, add in 1 sprig of fresh curry leaves and then turn off the heat. Add in half tablespoon coconut vinegar or any non-synthetic vinegar like apple cider vinegar, which has the mother. I used homemade coconut vinegar, and at the time of editing this video I noticed that this part of the video where I am adding coconut vinegar has been somehow deleted. So please do excuse me for that. If you don't have non-synthetic vinegar, you can squeeze in half a lemon. Do check my video on apple cider vinegar to know its health benefits. And my healthy and tasty onion chicken roast is ready to serve. I'm serving the onion chicken roast with one gluten-free oats roti made with just oats. That is, I have not used any wheat or rice flour while making this oats roti. I have already shared the oats roti recipe. Links will be updated below this video. And I have not used any oil or ghee in this roti since there is little oil in the chicken roast. So guys, always remember to balance the amount of fats in your meal. The calorie of one oats roti will be roughly around 60 calories. Also in the plate is some cucumber slices and vegetable sabji. You can use any vegetable sabji of your choice. You can also have a katori of curd or a slice of mango post this meal. Since it is mango season, I prefer mango. So guys, do try this healthy and low calorie onion chicken roast and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.